Welcome to the Simple Language. Learn English with simple stories, easy conversations, and clear pronunciation. Slowly, naturally, confidently. Let's begin. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson. Today, our topic is very important. Stop translating in your head. Think in English. Are you ready?
Hello. Yes, I think so, but my brain is a little nervous right now.
Don't worry. Your brain will be fine. What is your name, and how long have you studied English?
My name is Brian. I studied English for 4 years, but I never spoke to a foreigner before. Not one time.
4 years and never spoke? That is okay. Today we change that. How are you feeling right now?
I feel like a slow computer. First, I think in my language, then I translate to English, then I speak. It takes so long.
Your brain needs an upgrade. But don't worry. Today we fix it. Are you ready to exercise your brain?
Yes, but my brain is a little lazy. Can we give it coffee first?
No coffee, but we will wake it up with practice. Let's start with tip number 1. Label objects around you. Don't translate, just see the thing and say the word. Close your eyes. See a red car. What is it?
Car.
Good. See a tall green tree.
Tree.
See a white plate with food.
Plate with delicious food. My stomach says hello.
Open your eyes now. Look around this room. Name everything you see. Don't think, just say the word fast.
Lamp, notebook, bag, clock, water bottle, shoes, and one very tired student.
Who is the tired student?
Me, definitely me.
Perfect. You did not translate. You just said the words. That is the goal. At home tonight, practice with everyday objects. Say toothbrush, mirror, towel, kettle, keys, bicycle. Just say the word when you see the thing.
My kettle is very old. Every morning it makes a very loud noise, like it is saying good morning to the whole street.
Your kettle is more talkative than some students I know.
Yes, my kettle speaks better English than me. Very sad.
Not for long. Now, tip number 2. Use mental pictures. Don't use words in your first language. Use a picture in your mind. I will describe something. Make the picture, then make a sentence. See yourself drinking water.
I drink water.
Good. See yourself running in the park.
I run in the park, but slowly, very slowly, like a tired turtle.
A tired turtle. See yourself feeling tired after class.
I am tired. My brain is full. My legs say no more walking. My eyes say goodbye.
Excellent. Now, narrate your morning. What do you do every day? Use simple pictures. Use simple sentences.
I wake up. I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. 2 eggs, but sometimes the eggs win. I burn them. The eggs are stronger than me.
The eggs win? How does an egg win?
I don't know, but every Tuesday the eggs win. They become black. I eat them anyway.
You are a brave man, Brian. Okay, tip number 3. Use simple self-talk. Narrate your life like a movie. Small things. Drinking coffee, opening the door, walking to the bus. Say it in English. Don't translate. Just describe the action.
So I talk to myself? People will think I am crazy.
Maybe a little, but your English will be amazing. Try it now. What are you doing right now?
I am sitting in a chair. I am listening to Mark. I am trying not to panic. I am doing okay, I think.
That is wonderful. No translation, pure English thinking. Now, tip number 5, practice directions. This is very useful every day. I'm a tourist. I need help. Excuse me, where is the nearest supermarket?
Go straight. Turn right at the traffic light. Walk 2 minutes. You will see a big sign. And if you see my lost shoe on the road, please bring it back.
Your lost shoe? What happened?
Long story. The bus was fast, I was slow, the shoe was a casualty.
Now describe your city. Where do you live?
I live in Baku. It is a beautiful city. We have a big sea. The buildings are very modern. But the traffic is crazy. Cars drive like they are very late for dinner. Every driver is in a big hurry.
Late for dinner. I love that. Okay, tip number 6. Talk about your hobbies and life. Tell me about your free time.
I play football on Saturdays. I am not very good. Sometimes the ball hits my face instead of the goal. The ball has better aim than me.
What else do you do?
On Sunday, I visit my grandmother. She is wonderful. She makes so much food. I say no thank you, I am full, but my mouth says yes please. My grandmother always wins.
Grandmothers always win. It's a universal law.
Yes, science cannot explain it, but it is true everywhere.
Now, tip number 7. Play the describe the word game. I will describe something. You guess the word. A small machine. You use it to talk to people. You can take photos with it. You listen to audio on it. Sometimes it falls in soup.
Smartphone. And the soup part is a true story, not my proudest moment.
Very relatable. Now you describe something for me.
Okay, you sit on it. It has 4 legs. You use it at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. My grandmother puts too much food on it.
The table?
Correct. You are a very good student, Mark.
Thank you, Brian. Now the most powerful tip. Talk to yourself every day. In the morning and the evening. When you cook, when you walk. Keep an English monologue going in your head. What would your morning monologue sound like?
Okay, now I open the fridge. Hello, milk. Are you still fresh? Oh no, you are old. You smell like my uncle's car. Goodbye, milk. Now I make tea. Hello, kettle. Please don't be too loud today. The neighbors are sleeping.
Perfect. What about when you look in the mirror?
Hello, handsome Brian. Today you will speak English all day. You will not translate. You will think in pictures. You burned the eggs again yesterday, but today is a new day. Today, the eggs will not win.
I love it. That is exactly the right practice. Now, let's do a short story. Tell me about yesterday. Use simple past tense. Don't think too long. Just talk.
Okay. Yesterday, I woke up at 7 o'clock. I made breakfast, but the eggs won again. I went to work by bus. I lost my other shoe. Now I have 0 shoes. On the bus, I thought about English words. At lunch, I described my food in English. Rice and vegetables. Very healthy. My colleague looked at me and said, "Why are you talking to your rice?" I said, "English practice." He moved to another table.
Your colleague ran away from your English practice.
Yes, but in the evening, I talked to myself for 10 minutes in English. My cat sat next to me and listened. My cat is a very good student, better than my colleague.
Wonderful. Your cat is getting a free English education. Now let's review all our tips together.
Tip 1. Label objects. See the thing, say the word. No translation.
Excellent.
Tip 2. Use mental pictures. Make a movie in your mind. Speak about the movie.
Perfect.
Tip 3. Narrate your life. Small actions. Simple sentences. Like a movie narrator.
Wonderful.
Tip 4. Practice real situations. Shopping, directions, phone calls. Just start talking.
Very good.
Tip 5. Describe your world. Your city, your home, Your grandmother's food.
Great!
Tip 6. Play word games. Describe things without the name. Guess the word.
Excellent!
Tip 7. Talk to yourself every day. In the morning, at lunch, before sleep, even to your cat.
Perfect summary, Brian. You remembered everything. How do you feel now compared to the beginning?
At the beginning, I was nervous. My brain was slow. Now I feel different, like the words are closer. I don't have to dig so deep to find them.
That is a beautiful way to describe it. The words become closer every day you practice. 1 month of daily self-talk and you will be amazed.
I will go home tonight and talk to my mirror. Hello, Brian. You are a good student. You are not translating anymore. But please stop burning the eggs. The eggs are not your enemy.
Make peace with the eggs, Brian.
I will try. Thank you very much, Mark. This lesson was useful and very fun. I did not freeze one time today. That is a miracle.
It is not a miracle. It is practice. And you did it. Keep practicing every single day. Think in English. Dream in English. Talk to your cat in English. In 1 month, you will be amazed at yourself.
I promise I will practice every day. Even the eggs will hear my English practice.
Goodbye, everyone. Practice these tips every day. Think in English. Live in English. See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye. Have a wonderful evening, everyone.
Thanks for watching The Simple Language. Keep learning, keep listening, and keep growing your English every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.